evening. Well, it really has been fine, warm cricketing weather over most of England and Wales today, but we are in for a change in the weather this weekend. It's going to start getting somewhat cooler. You can see the cooler colourings here beginning to move in from the north, and temperatures will start to drop, particularly on Sunday, and in fact by Monday morning we could have some rather frosty weather around across northern districts of the country. Well, those changes coming about as we see some alterations in the weather maps. At the moment, this low pressure area bringing in some rather showery winds up around the northwest of Scotland there, slowly edging this weather front southwards in the next 24 hours. And then as that low pressure area moves away eastwards, we start to see the cooler northerly breezes moving in our way. But for tonight, as I say, rather brisk winds up around the north of Northern Ireland in towards the northwest of Scotland. They're pretty strong and blustery in places. Further south, hardly a breeze at all overnight. And that will bring some changes. Those blustery winds in the north, though, helping to push the main region of rain across southern and eastern Scotland down through the eastern parts of Northern Ireland. And the first of some showers showing on the radar in the far northwest here. Now, these could turn out to be quite heavy and thundery through the evening and the night. The main area of cloud and rain up here at the moment will continue to slowly edge its way in across northern parts of England and across parts of northern and western Wales by the end of the night. Now, with those very light winds further south, it will turn rather misty under mainly clear skies, and in places, for example, in parts of southeast Wales and the Midlands, we could see temperatures down to 5 or 6 Celsius, otherwise about 8 or 9 in many areas. For Saturday then, that weather front will be straddled across the country. It's going to be a weakening thing, though, as it moves southwards. So though in the morning much of northern England and Wales may be cloudy with some spots of drizzle or rain, particularly out here near the west coast, well, as that cloud moves southwards during the day, it's going to break up. So for many parts of England and Wales, some sunny spells during the afternoon and maybe just 1 or 2 isolated showers further south. Lots of showers for Northern Ireland, western and northern areas of Scotland too. Not many in eastern Scotland, just a few. The heavy ones in the northwest, and in many regions just temperatures a degree or so different from today only, so still pretty warm in the south. Those changes coming in as the winds begin to move in from the north, pushing a line of cloud southwards, bringing some showers slowly moving down through the east on Sunday.